Ac eleni ni'n dechrau fan hyn yn Llanberis, a mae hi yn wyntog fa.
Mae yna eira ar goffa'r Wyddfa, ond da ni ddim mynd i adael na stopio ni, achos eleni mae gennym ni fwy o bobl cry.
Mwy o bobl ystwyth.
Mwy o bobl creadigol.
A mwy o bobl, wel, just anhygoel.
Ond dyna ddigon am ni'n dau. Croeso i Guinness World Records Gymru!
Penblwydd hapus Guinness World Records.
Eleni, mae'r awdurdod ar bopeth sy'n ymwneud â recordiau byd yn dathlu 70 mlynedd o dorri recordiau briliant a bonkers.
O gŵn yn syrffio, i daflu casgenni, mae yna record i bawb a phopeth.
Ac yma ar Guinness World Records, mi fyddwn ni'n dathlu mewn steil drwy wahodd pobl o bob cornel o Gymru i drio sicrhau teitl Guinness World Records.
Ac yn ôl i gadw llygaid barcud ar bethau, mae'n dyfarnydd Guinness World Records swyddogol Joanne Brent.
Ydy, mae Joe yn meddwl busnes ac yma i gadw pawb mewn trefn. I ddechrau'r cyfan, hen ffefryn yma ar Guinness World Records, pobl cryf yn symud pethau trwm.
Dros y 5 mlynedd diwetha, dyn ni wedi gweld pobl cryf yn tynnu monster trucks, codi ceir, a nôl yn 2021, fe wnaeth Sam a Sue hyd yn oed tynnu awyren.
Ac mae'r cwpl cryf yn ôl, tybed be fydd yn sefyll rhwng y cewri a'r clod eleni.
Ocei. Efallai bod Thomas bach ddim mor anferthol ag awyren, ond credwch i fi, bydd dal angen tipyn o bwer i symud yr anghenfil metel 6 thynnell yma.
Ac i wneud pethau ychydig yn wahanol i'r arferol, yn lle tynnu gyda'i gilydd, eleni bydd y criw cryf yn cystadlu mewn parau, yn erbyn ei gilydd. I dynnu Thomas bach pellter o 20 metr mewn llai na 45 eiliad.
Yn helpu Joanne gyda'r paratoadau a'r mesuriadau holl bwysig, mae ffrind y sioe Gareth Pyw. Gareth, sut mae pethau'n mynd? Popeth yn barod?
Ie, dwi'n meddwl mae pob beth yn iawn.
Achos, gyda fod yn onest y ti, fi'n poeni bod hyn yn mynd i fod bach yn ormod, you know? Achos, mae'r injan ma'n pwyso mwy na 3 car cyffredin yn dweud.
Yndi.
A mae fe ar metal fyd.
Ie, mae o'n drwm, ond maen nhw'n gallu neud o, dwi'n meddwl. Y dechrau sydd yn anodd, os nhw'n gallu dechrau'n iawn a cymryd y momentum, dwi'n meddwl bydd nhw'n iawn.
OK. A wedyn ti'n dal harnes yn fan hyn, yn amlwg maen nhw'n gwisgo reina. Esbonio i fi sut mae hwn yn gweithio, de?
Da chi ddim eisiau just un pwynt, so mae hwn yn mynd ar yr ysgwydd rownd y cefn, so eisiau rhoi ar i gweld?
Go on, e.
Un step. O!
Hwn yn digon anodd.
Ti'n yna?
OK, greu.
Ie?
Ie.
Wedyn, mae nhw'n gafal ar hwn.
Reit.
Aros o hwnna. I dechrau, isio fatha tynnu fewn i'r raff.
Sut ti'n codi'r raff?
A wedyn, ti'n mynd i symud.
Fel ffordd ma?
Ie.
Ie, so ti yn teimlo fe fel fan hyn a fan hyn?
Ie, so os da chi'n mynd lawr, a wedyn tynnu fewn. Ti isio symud o? Go on, go on!
Nath y symud?
Dipyn, dwi'n meddwl.
OK, to be. Well gadael ei pros, fi'n meddwl.
Ie, dwi'n meddwl.
Ie.
Hello, ladies. Welcome to Llanberis.
Thank you.
It's a bit cold, isn't it?
It's more than cold.
Yeah, it's chilly.
Yeah.
We're southern girls, we're not used to this.
So we've got Sue and Rachel. Sue, of course, we know you very well by
Yes,
now.
yeah.
How many records?
I've got one Guinness World Record, but I've got another lot of strong woman records as well.
And how are you feeling about this one? Because this is, it might not look that big, but this is heavy, isn't it?
It is heavy. After pulling a plane, you'd think it's easy, but this is metal on metal, and it's not going to be easy. We've seen some of the stronger girls trying to have a go, and it's not going to be easy, this one.
No. Rachel?
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to it, to be honest.
Ever pulled an engine before?
No, nothing at all. This is very much my very first time.
Oh, right, okay.
So-
What kind of prep can you do towards...
You can't really. You can pull things around and stuff like that, but there's nothing for, you know, it's the real thing. It's also on tracks, which is hard, because you've obviously got the sleepers and you've got the gravel as well, so you're going to be slipping all over the place. It's going to be difficult.
Yn gyntaf I dynnu'r injan, mae Kirsty a Rachel.
Kirsty and Rachel, this is to be your official attempt for the fastest time to pull a narrow gauge steam train 20 metres by a team of 2. Gareth, over to you.
Barod! 3, 2, 1, out! Come on, Malcolm! Come on! Come on! Really cool. Here we go. Right, come on! Pump those legs. Come on! All the way. Come on! Pump the legs. Come on! Pull, pull, pull! 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 Come on! Big push! Big push! Come on, come on! Big push! Come on! Come on! Don't stop! Do not stop! Come on! Come on! Pump the legs! Come on! Come on! Go! 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 Go!
Are all the winners, is that? Come on, come on, come on, come on!
There we go!
Wow.
Wow. I know you're really tired. Probably hard to talk right now. Was that harder than you imagined?
A lot harder than I imagined.
Yeah?
It looks little. Having little. No, oh my goodness.
Ydy amser Kirsty a Rachel yn ddigon cyflym I fod yn Guinness World Records swyddogol. Cawn weld nes ymlaen.
Ni'n joio torri recordiau bwyd ar y raglen yma. Ni di bwyta cennin, sleisio pizzas, stacio picau ar y maen.
A nôl yn 2020, fe wnaeth Michelle Evans-Fetchy gyda help criw Merched y Wawr llwyddo I bobi'r gacen gri fwyaf yn y byd. Oedd o'n flasus iawn hefyd.
A mae Michelle yma. Gyda ni heddiw.
Helo.
Hiya, Michelle.
Helo, fi'n iawn, diolch i chi.
Croeso nôl I Guinness World Records Cymru.
Diolch.
Da ni newydd y weldi efo help criw Merched y Wawr yn creu y gacen cri y Welsh cake fwyaf yn y byd.
Oh my gosh.
Sut brofiad oedd hwnna?
Anhygoel. Oedd e mor dda. Oedd y Welsh cake mor fawr. Wych yn ffod beth fi'n credu? Ie, oedd e'n huge. Oedd.
Felly, be ti'n mynd I fod yn ceisio torri tro yma te? Yn amlwg rhywbeth I wneud â'r cacen yma.
Wel, gobeithio, fi'n mynd I gweld faint o cacynnau fi gallu addurno mewn 3 funud.
Waw, oce.
Felly, wyt ti wedi gallu ymarfer adre? Sut byddi tactics ag ati?
So fi wedi bod yn practeiso ar papur pob I getre. Mae rhaid I fi wneud yn siŵr bod y top yn cael ei cyfro'n llawn. So sim hawl dych chi gweld dim cacen o'r top. So fi'n gobeithio bod y ddeisyn yn digon denau I fi peipo'n hawdd.
Allen ni gael tro bach?
Ti'n moyn go?
Ie, allen ni?
Ie, mynd yr ein.
Dwi wedi gwneud hwn o blaen.
Na fi, chwaith. So mae rhaid I ti mynd I cyfro'r top yn gyfan.
Okay.
Mae rhaid I fe edrych yn aesthetically pleasing, maen nhw wedi gweud.
Okay.
So fail, achos ti'n gweld y gacen.
Ydy hwnna'n ffeil hefyd?
Sa'n siŵr gyda ni checo.
Ti'n angen o'n ag?
Na, gerfe.
Diolch.
Mwynhewch.
Diolch, Michelle. Pob lwc.
Diolch, ta.
Cer amdani.
For the official attempt for the most cupcakes iced in 3 minutes, your record is about to begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, Michelle.
Come on, Michelle. Oh,
Wow. Ti'n ni 4 y bod. Da iawn, Michelle.
Oh my gosh.
Ti'n ma be?
Fi'n talu cadw nhw'n daclus hefyd.
Maen nhw yn daclus, maen nhw'n ffab.
Pai ti pwynt am siarad hefyd. Ti'n ma be, dwi'n meddwl bod 20 eiliad I bod eto.
Fi'n talu neud siŵr bod nhw'n cyfro'r top yn gyfan.
Ie. Dei pan ti eisiau bod... O, oce. Ti'n mynd I roi bag arall ti.
O, Michelle.
Ti'n neud yn
Ie, mae hynny'n arbennig.
Son mor daclus yn ni. O, mae'r peipyn yn mynd... Mae'r eisyn mwy galed.
O, ie?
That is 1 minute 30 seconds, halfway through the attempt.
Ti'n mynd I smasho hwn?
Be di 7 llos I 5?
O, gosh, fi'n siglo nawr. Mae calon fi'n curo mor galed.
Ti smasho hwn.
Ie.
Ydy breichyd ti ddechrau brifo?
O, mae cramp dy fi'n llaw.
Na.
O. Mae
digon amser dy ti, achos ti wedi gwneud llwyth yn barod.
O, fi'n chwysu nawr.
Come on, come on.
Right, bag
30 seconds remaining.
O, 30 eilid, un push mawr. Falle bod, ie. Un push mawr.
Yna bach o gap yn yr un yma.
Sy'n un.
Come on, Michelle.
Come on.
O, ma' hwnna'n galed.
Dal i fynd.
10 seconds.
Bron yna.
5,
Come on, come on.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Hey!
Woo!
Da iawn. Da iawn,
Oh my God, mae cramp yn llaws.
Oh, sorry.
Mae cramp dy fi. Ti'n
Oh my
gwybod
God.
beth fi wedi gwneud hwn.
O,
Reit.
hwnna'n hygoel.
Felly mae Joanne mynd i fod yn edrych ar bob un, jyst i wneud yn siŵr bod nhw gyd yn iawn. Sut y ti'n teimlo bod hwnna wedi mynd?
O, gofi eisiau glod. Oedd e'n galed. Fi'n gobeithio fi wedi gwneud yn siŵr bod y cupcake wedi cael ei cyfro o'r top.
Ie.
Ie.
Fi'n gobeithio.
Rhan o'r reolau, mae rhaid nhw edrych yn pleasing, a maen nhw definitely yn. Sy'n ni'n bita pob un o'n nhw.
A fi, bendant.
Newn ni probably yn. Newn ni probably wneud na.
Felly, da ni'n weddol hyderus, yn dydyn?
Gobeithio.
Ie.
Mae'n checo, mae'n cyfri.
This was an attempt for the most cupcakes iced in 3 minutes. And I can reveal that I have made a few disqualifications, meaning that today you have achieved 66, a successful attempt by far. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
I would like to present to you your official medal
Thank you so much. Oh my God.
and this very official certificate. Congratulations, you're officially amazing.
Oh,
Yay! Da iawn, Michelle.
A disqualification.
Waw. Ond mae hwnna'n swnio fwy cool.
O, di? Ar bags. O, diolch yn fawr.
A thorri record y byd yn eisyn ar y gacen. Da iawn, Michelle.
Nawr, sa'i eisiau rybio fe mewn al,
Ie.
ond wyt ti'n cofio llynedd?
Ie.
Ym Mhenbre.
O, ie.
Nes i lwyddo i gael record Guinness World Records, ti'n cofio?
Wrth gwrs mae fi'n cofio, achos ti'n atgoffa fi bob diwrnod.
A nes di drio, ond do?
Do.
A nes di ddim llwyddo na ddo.
Na. Ond os y ti'n cofio rhi, mae hynny achos nes i dynnu hamstring.
Tragic. Run VT.
Are you ready? On my mark, 3, 2, 1, go! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Sorry.
Hamstring?
Na.
Rhianna, you achieved 11.77. You are officially amazing. Congratulations. Here is your Guinness World Records title.
Tough watch.
Embarrassing.
T'mo be, Al, fi actually yn teimlo'n really wild bod da fi record Guinness World Records os dim un dy ti.
Y ti?
So, fi wedi paratoi un yn arbennig I ti.
Y ti?
Ydw. Joe, can you tell us more about it, please?
Absolutely. It's going to be a challenging one. Yes, look at my sign. It's going to be an official attempt for the fastest time to type with one finger the following word. Llanfair, pwll gwingich, gogerich, windrobwch, hantisilio gogogoch.
Oh, Joe, well done. Da iawn, gwych. Ti'n meddwl be? Dwi'n meddwl bod gennau chance.
O ie?
Achos dwi'n typio ddyn bys be bynnag.
Oh.
Joe, lead the way.
Good luck.
That way? That way.
This is an official attempt, Alun, for the fastest time to type Llanfair, pwll gwingich, gogerich, windrobwch, hantisilio gogogoch with one finger. Are you ready?
Yes.
On my mark, hands on the table. 3, 2, 1, go!
Stop.
That's wrong.
Na, pam lle?
You forgot. Ti di angofio gogerich. Llanfair pwll gwyngill, chwindrobwyll, llan...
Oh! O'n i'n meddwl oedd o'n sydyn. Gwyd fe hanner y gair. I'm not happy with that one.
That is a failed attempt.
Oh, don't have to say like that.
Meddwl gallech chi wneud yn well na Alun? Beth am gael tro yn ystod y toriad? Mae'n anoddach na mae'n edrych. Os oes un peth ni'n joio mwy na torri recordiau yma ar Guinness World Records Cymru, dawnsio yw hynny.
A pha mae'r cyfle'n codi i wneud y ddau ar yr un pryd, wel, da ni wrth ein bodde.
Felly, dyn ni wedi camu allan o'r tŷ gwydyr yng Ngardd Fotaneg Cymru i gyfarfod â chryw arbennig iawn sydd yn paratoi i gymryd ran mewn record arbennig iawn.
Ie, a da ni'n cael cwmni Freya fama o Atc Gofal Celf. Mae pawb i weld yn excited iawn i fod yma.
Mae pawb yn cyffroes iawn, a maen ni gyd bod yn practisio trwy'r wythnos.
So, gweithio ni tyma bach am Atc Gofal Celf. Pwy ydych chi?
Mae ni'n Elisian sy'n gweithio yn Gaerfyrddin, Cardigan a Pembrokeshire, yn neud projects gyda celf, gyda dawnsio a gyda cerddoriaeth, i wneud bywyd pobl yn dda a gweithio gyda pobl sydd ddim gallu cael opportunities i dawnsio a canu a pethau creadigol.
Ac dwi'n iawn i ddeud bod pawb yn dod at ei gilydd am y tro cyntaf erioed i ddawnsio?
Ie.
Waw!
Ie.
Felly, be'n union ydy'r record da chi'n gobeithio torri heddiw?
Gobeithio bydd y relay mwyaf gyda phobl yn spinning mewn grŵp am 1 awr.
Awr?
Wow.
Ie.
Oce, amser hir.
Ie. Ni wedi practisio, ond ddim ar awr, felly 10 munud.
Oce.
Oce, so bach yn hydach na.
Ie.
Ond yr un principle, really.
Ie, yr un principle.
Ond mae'n neud y math yma beth, mae dawnsio yn amlwg yn cara ti'n ffit, ond hefyd mae'n dda i dy feddwl hefyd yn
Yes, y well-being ni
Yeah.
yn the front of gyd y popeth ni'n neud at Gofal Celf. Mae rhywle mae pawb yn gallu bod yn hunain ar espresso, i cerddoriaeth. Mae pawb yn cael chance i dawnsio gyda gilydd a bod yn hapus iawn.
Ie.
A faint ohonoch chi sy'n mynd i fod yn cymryd rhan i gyd?
Fi'n credu 50.
50?
Fi'n credu.
Waw.
Ocê.
Ti yn 50.
Dwi'n edrych ymlaen i weld eich moves.
Ie,
a fi.
Mae moves da.
Oes?
Bydd pawb yn neud y worm, neu spins, ballet spins, neu noidio.
O, hyfryd.
Pob lwc.
Ie,
Edrych
pob
ymlaen a
lwc.
gobeithio gawn ni record ar ddiwedd y di.
Gobeithio.
Ie. Wel, os na roedd pethau'n ddigon anodd fel mai, tynnu'r injan yna, dechrau bwrw glaw, mae'r gwynt di codi hefyd.
Mae fe mor oer, a fi'n meddwl bod hynna'n fel wneud nhw'n stryglan fwy, achos mae cyhyrau nhw'n siso lan, maen nhw gyd i gweud fel, mae fe mor oer, maen nhw'n stryglan i fe mewn iddo fe.
Ie, felly mae hwnna'n anoddach.
Ydi.
Dyma'r un o'r pethau anoddach maen nhw rioed i gofyn wneud.
Fi'n meddwl bod e. Mae fe'n solid.
Ond da ni cari andra. Wrth ein bodda. Y par nesau i gystadlu bydd Susan ac Abigail, a llyn nhw dynnu Thomas Bach yn gynt na'r par cyntaf.
Sue, Abby, you guys are going to be going next. So you've seen the first girls have a go, and that looked so tough.
It looked grueling. I thought it was going to be a little bit easier, and I saw the girls go, and my heart sank.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel a bit sick, Abs, yeah.
I think the footing on the track as well is going to be a challenge.
Yeah, and the movement, you couldn't get a purchase, we'd always taught to do quick steps, aren't we? Yeah, and I don't think that's going to work.
No, it's not the technique that you need for this one.
Yeah.
Gosh, girls, good luck. Good luck, pob luck.
Diolch.
Susan and Abigail, this is your official attempt for the fastest time to pull a narrow gauge steam train 20 metres by a female team of 2. Gareth, on your mark.
Pennod, 3, 2, 1, out! Come on, Beckham! Come on! Keep going with those feet. Yes! Speed it up, speed it up. Come on, come on, come
Fantastic effort, amazing.
Yeah.
How are you feeling right now?
I can't feel my hands.
No?
Yeah.
Your legs? Can you feel your legs?
My toes, no.
No, your toes, no. Legs, yes, hands, no.
Yeah.
What, because of the cold? Or
Yeah, the
if that's
cold.
not a silly question,
It was
or...
really hard to pull, especially
Yeah.
with my hands.
Yeah.
You can't, and I can't feel my toes. But it was really good fun.
Ymdrech wych gan y merched, ond mae dal un par ar ôl I dynnu. Ar ôl methu'n llwyr gyda'i ymdrech gyntaf i deipio Llanfair Pwllgwyngyll Gogerich Wyn Robert Llantysilio Gogo Goch gydag un bis, mae Alun yn barod am ei ail gyfle.
3, 2, 1, go!
Stop!
I can confirm that that was a valid attempt.
Dwi'n meddwl bod fi erioed i canolbwyntio gymaint yn y mywyd.
Ti di slafian iawn. Faint mor gloi ti'n meddwl wyt ti di mynd?
Dwi'n meddwl hwnna'n gloi. Dwi'n meddwl hwnna o fewn i gyneiliad.
OK, wel hold on ar de, achos nes i angofio weid, ond nid ti yw'r unig un sy'n cael go ar yr record ma.
O be?
Na, ni'n mynd i ofyn i bawb yn y criw i gael go hefyd.
Y criw?
Ie.
Ie, ti'n fe, iawn, dim problem. Dwi'n hyderus, dwi'n meddwl bod fi wedi gwneud digon. Ie. Fastest finger in the West.
Dyn ni wedi dod yma i Circus No Fit State yng Nghaerdydd am 2 record hynod o gyffroes.
Bydd angen canolbwyntio, cydbwyso, digon o hyder a lot o ffydd. Ni erioed di trio unrhyw beth ar y raglen lle mae lefel y risg mor uchel. Yn llythrenol.
Yn cyflwyno'r efeilliaid Clementine a Grace Tomkin Wells o gwmni Circus Flatch Productions o Gaerdydd.
Mae'r 2 Gymraes yma wedi teithio'r byd yn diddannu'r dorf gyda'i nerth a'i hyblygrwydd ar y trapeze. Ond bydd angen llonydd a ffydd yn ei gilydd os yw'r 2 am lwyddo heddiw.
Heddiw ni'n mynd i ceisio wneud sefyll y trod. Dyna beth yw'r enw'r tric yma, ble mae fi yn sefyll ar clem. Pryd mae clem yn wyneb i weired yn hongian ar y bar, dau trod hi. A wedyn fi yn sefyll arni hi.
So mae gen ti pwysau ti a ti ar trod ti. Felly, siwt mae'r her yma yn wahanol i chi'ch 2?
Yr her i fi yw, bod Grace yn neud gwaith anhygoel o rhoi'r lleiliad cywir ar y trod fi. Mae fe'n dal yn eitha poenus a yr swydd fi yw i gweithio trwy'r poen mind over matter.
Felly pa mor hir ydych chi wedi llwyddo i dal y symudiad ma yn y gorffennol?
Yr hiran ni wedi wneud yw 2 funud a hanner.
Right, OK. A pa mor hir os rhaid chi wneud ar gyfer y Guinness World Records?
2 funud a hanner.
Right, OK. So mae rhaid i chi giro amser gorau chi?
Ie.
Fi'n rili edrych mlaen i weld hwn. Mae'n mynd i fod yn ffantastig.
Diolch.
Grace and Clementine, you are about to attempt the official record for the longest duration suspended foot-to-foot trapeze hold by a team of 2. OK, Grace, are you ready?
Yeah.
Clementine, are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ti di llithro bach, ond mae fe'n iawn. Okay.
Maen nhw'n gallu teimlo pan mae rhywbeth yn mynd bach yn wahanol. Maen nhw'n gallu siarad gyda'i gilydd mwyn cywiro fe. Fi'n meddwl bod Clementine yn dechrau brifo dyma bach.
Sa'n gallu teimlo unrhyw beth yn trod. Da iawn, cadw e.
Mae Clementine a Grace hanner ffordd drwy ei record a'i sialent anoddaf erioed.
Sa'n gallu teimlo unrhyw beth yn trod. Da iawn, cadw e.
Come on! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Da iawn, Grace a Clementine, y 2 wedi dyblu ei amser gorau a'r amser i giro ac wedi gosod Guinness World Records newydd o 5 munud ar ei ben.
Congratulations, you are officially amazing.
Shwmai, fi yw Marmalade, dwi'n drag artist o Gaerdydd.
Cyrhaeddodd Marmalade y 4 olaf o RuPaul's Drag Race UK gyda'i thalent o greu ffrogiau anhygoel ei hun yn gwneud iddi sefyll allan.
So I made most of the outfits I wore on RuPaul's Drag Race UK. My favourites were probably the nature butterfly outfit, the semi-final vinyl outfit where I was a gramophone, and the Diana dress I made is one of my personal favourites.
Ac ar gyfer ei sialens nesaf, mae Marmalade am drio gosod teitl Guinness World Records am y nifer fwyaf o flodau go iawn ar ffrog.
To complete the record, I thought it was only fitting to use the national flower of Wales, the daffodil.
I dorri record, bydd angen Marmalade ddefnyddio o leia 750 o gennin Pedr, ac i wneud yn siŵr bod digon o flodau ganddi, mae cwmni blas y tir o Sir Benfro wedi rhoi 2,000 o flodau fel rhodd.
Ond, yr her fwyaf i Marmalade yw gwneud yn siŵr bod digon ohonyn nhw dal yn fyw pan fydd hi'n amser i Joanne eu cyfri nhw.
Having to leave it as late as possible to get the flowers onto the dress so that they are at their optimal state for the reveal. So I think I can get it done, but it might be a bit of a sleepless night.
And here she is.
Oh. Wow.
Wow, you look amazing.
Thank you.
But how do you feel?
I'm so glad to finally get it on. It's been on a mannequin for a long time, just staring back at me, so to be wearing it feels fabulous.
It's been quite a week for you as well, hasn't it?
It has. Apparently, flowers don't like to be attached to clothing, which I did learn the hard way, so I had to do a lot of this work very last minute to preserve them. And I'm hoping it was all worth it.
Well, yeah.
Well, we are going to see if all that time and effort has paid off.
Yes.
Jo?
I've been busy counting.
Yes.
And there's been a lot that you've given me to count. Now, this is an official record attempt for the most flowers on a dress. The minimum to achieve this record title is 750 flowers. Now, I know you felt quite confident that you'd surpass that because of the sheer number of daffodils that you were working with to create this dress. But have enough survived? Have we got enough evidence to prove the final count has met that minimum? Congratulations, you've been successful.
Oh my God!
You have achieved this record title with 1,862 daffodils.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Congratulations, you are now officially a Guinness World Records title.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Dyma'n 5 flwyddyn yn torri recordiau ar Guinness World Records Cymru. Felly, i ddathlu, dyn ni am edrych nôl ar rai o'n hoff recordiau dros y blynyddoedd.
Rhif 5, da ni'n mynd nôl i'n blwyddyn gyntaf 2020 ac i'r prom yn Aberystwyth, lle nath 328 o drigolion y dref ddod at ei gilydd i dorri record am y bwa dynol hiraf.
Rhif 4. Yn 2022, fe wnaethon ni herio Lowri Morgan i agor y faner fwyaf wrth wibio ar wifren zip, ac fe wnaeth hi lwyddo i wneud hynny mewn amodau anodd iawn.
Yn rhif 3, en trydydd hoff record yw'r ymdrech hollol bonkers yma cafodd ei osod gen Craig Evans o Gaerdydd, y nifer fwyaf o gwninod wedi cael ei tatwio ar y corff. Y cyfanswm oedd 69 bwni.
Yn rhif 2, mae'r frwydr tynnu'r gelyn hiraf. Cafodd y record anhygoel yma ei dorri ar draeth Cefn Sidan yn 2024, gyda Scott Quinnell ac Eleanor Snowsill fel capteiniaid, a'r half oedd yn mesur dros 500 metr, daeth ffermwyr ifanc o bob cornel o Gymru i dynnu'r half gyda thîm Eleanor yn fuddugol.
Ac yn rhif 1, record fwyaf feirol sydd wedi cael ei wylio dros 7 miliwn o weithiau ar y cyfryngau cymdeithasol yw'r nifer fwyaf o ganweilliau wedi diffodd gyda chlic o'r sawdl mewn 1 munud gan y clocsiwr Tudur Phillips.
Yn ôl â ni i Lamberis, a tro Sam a Sue yw i nesa i dynnu'r injan 6 thynell pellter o 20 metr mewn llai na 45 eiliad.
Oh, girls, you're all strapped in, you're ready to go. This weather is bound to play a massive factor.
It's going to be extremely slippery now, extremely slippery now, which is a bit of a worry, really. And especially because the others did it so well as well, so it's... Yeah.
You've seen them have a go.
Yeah.
Is that an advantage
to
you to go last?
No, not at all.
Well, usually it would be, but now because we've been waiting, now it's raining, so everything's going to be wet. The rope's going to be wet and slippery. The ground's wet and slippery. So yeah, it's just.
But have you seen anything from their attempts that have made you think, oh right, okay, we're going to do something different?
Yeah, it makes me want to go home, if I'm honest. Why would we want to do it? You know, it's coming on even heavier now, so...
Yeah, it is going to be so tough.
It really is going to be a tough one, this one, yeah. I'd be surprised if we do this, so...
Really?
Especially now, it's wetter and wetter, then yeah.
But poor block, good luck, girls.
Yeah.
For the fastest time to pull a narrow gauge steam train 20 metres by a female team of 2, Sue and Sam, are you ready?
Barod! 3, 2, 1, out! Come on, Sam and Sue! Come on, yes! Yes! Keep that going. That's the one. Come on. That's it. Keep going. That's home. Hold in the bag. Come on! Come on! Keep it going, girls. Keep it going. Push. Come on. Come on! Come on. Keep the momentum. Come on, ladies.
Well, girls, I'm not very good at maths, but I thought that went quite well time-wise.
With the rain hitting you, it's hard, it's icy, isn't it? That was hard.
Yeah.
That wasn't easy at all.
It's really icy rain, cold wind.
And it's really slippery.
The sleepers are really slippery, so it was kind of finding your feet and finding your groove.
Okay, well, should we get out the rain?
Absolutely.
We'll find out how you got on.
Come on, then.
Brilliant.
First of all, a very good effort from all of you. I can now reveal the results of everyone's attempts. First of all, we had Kirsty and Rachel. You achieved 1 minute, 5 seconds.
Yes.
Good effort.
A very good result. Second, we had Susan and Abigail. You achieved 58 seconds.
Look at this. I am.
Finally, Sue and Sam, for your record attempt, with a minimum requirement of 45 seconds, you achieved 48.47 seconds. It was very close to achieving the record title. In fact, just about 3 seconds off it. So, I would like to ask you, would you like another attempt at shaving those 3 seconds off?
Wow. Did he byth di gael hwn o blaen o ddo?
Yeah.
Hang on. That was just Sue.
I got it, wasn't
45 seconds. I think you can do it.
Okay.
Come on.
Come on, girls.
Okay. Well, I'm excited.
O'n i'n mynd i sgol na.
Na fi, actually.
Ac yn un hanner cyfeillio bod nhw'n mynd i ddweud na, cos mae'n mor oer a glid. Reit, da ni'n mynd amdani eto ta.
Yep, bantani.
3 seconds.
Reit, mae hyn yn really exciting. Mae nhw am fynd to. So, mae hwn yn make or break, really.
Wel, dyma'r unig cyfle sy'n gen nhw. A allwch chi deimlo'r tensiwn. Reit, da ni wedi siarad gormod.
Sue and Sam, I wish you the very best of luck. Are you ready? Yeah. Gareth, on your cue.
Barod! 3, 2, in, out! Come on! Yes! Come on! You've got this, come on! That's the one! Keep it like that! Come on! Yeah, come on! This is it, come on! Come on! Yeah! Keep that, come on! Big ball! Big ball! Don't stop! Come on, big point! Come on, big point! Come on! Come on! Keep on! Keep it going! Come on, come on! Come on! Donovan, come on! Come on! Hold a second! Get it!
Well done. Superb. Day out.
That was such a good effort, girls. That was amazing.
Chris, I'm 57 next month. When can I say no to this?
Well done, well done. Great efforts. Great.
Sue and Sam, achieving any Guinness World Records title is not easy. A strength-related title, really not easy. But when you're faced with weather conditions like this, it makes it even harder. So I commend you for giving it a second shot. Now, the minimum to achieve this record was 45 seconds. And for the fastest time to pull a narrow gauge steam train 20 meters by a female team of 2, you have done it in 40.532 seconds. Congratulations, it was worth it. You are officially amazing.
Yeah!
Well done. I'm very, very pleased for you. Well done.
No, girls, oh my gosh, congratulations. Well done.
Well done.
Yeah, Gar, maen nhw wedi gwneud yn wych yn do. Pa mor brwd o ti, Gar?
Proud, go yeah, I'm really proud of you guys. You put all the effort into the world into that second one. You absolutely deserve it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yn gynharach yn y rhaglen, nes i gael tro ar yr amser cyflymaf i deipio llawer pwyllgwyn gych gogeri chwindropi llantysilio goch gyda un bis. Ac oedd y tro cynta yn dipyn o shambles, rhaid i fi ddeud, oedd yr ail dro yn eitha da. Ond cyn bod ni'n datgelu'r enillydd, mae staff yr ardd Fotaneg angen cael tro. Ac aelodau o'r criw ffilmio. Dyna rheolwr llawr yn fanna. Mae hyd yn oed Michelle am gael tro. Yn amlwg, dyw un record mae'r un diwrnod ddim yn ddigon i hi. Chi'n gwybod be? Dwi'n dechrau meddwl bod Rhianna ddim am i fi ennill y record ma wedi'r cyfan.
Alun, mae'r foment fawr wedi cyrraedd.
Fy foment fawr.
Ie. Sut wyt ti'n teimlo?
Dwi'n teimlo weddol hyderus. Dwi wedi gwylio pawb arall yn neud, a dwi'n meddwl bod fi wedi gwneud digon i gyrraedd y nod a cael tystysgrif o'r diwedd efo fe enw arno fo.
Wel, gawn ni weld. Joe, let's put Alun out of his misery. Can you tell us the results, please?
Yes, well, Alun, you and a number of other people have attempted this record today for the fastest time to type with one finger, Llyn Padarn, push gwingich, gogerich, win drobush, antisilio gogogoch. One last time.
That deserves another clap.
One last time. Yeah. Now, I haven't told you yet, but there was a record to beat, a minimum requirement in order to achieve this title, and that was 18 seconds.
I think I did that.
Well, I can tell you, Alun.
Yeah.
You achieved 18.129 seconds.
That's good.
Rhianna.
I don't want to hang around for this. No, yeah.
Unfortunately, you took even longer than Alun.
Yes! Sorry.
19.733 seconds. You were both out of the running.
Okay.
Smart. Now, I do want to give a special mention. Michelle.
Definitely wasn't me.
Whilst you didn't spell it correctly, you did take your time, 47 seconds.
Wow.
However, we do have a winner here today. At 15.33 seconds from the National Botanic Gardens, it's Alun. Congratulations. You are officially amazing. Congratulations.
Wow.
You are now a Guinness World Records title holder. Well done.
Thank you.
Ellis, Sean, gyda chwer yma. Sut ma'n teimlo?
O'n i ddim yn disgwyl hwn.
Na, dwi'n siŵr bod ti ddim. Da iawn ti.
Ar ôl gwylio ymdrech Clementine a Grace ar y trapeze, tro Eric yw i nesa.
Wedi ienni yng Nghanada a rwan y byw yng Gaerdydd, mae Eric McGill wedi perfformio ar draws y byd. Yn plethu cryfder a chywirdeb i adael cynulleidfaodd yn geg agored.
Ond heddiw, mae'r pwysau sydd arno'n uwch nag erioed.
Tell us a little bit about the record you're going for today.
What I'm going to be doing is like a fall to ankles where I come back up to stand, and I'm going to try to do that over and over and over.
Easy.
Easy, simple stuff, you know. And I discovered that I could actually do it several times in a row without the swing dying. Usually a sequence on trapeze is maybe only 2, maybe 3 swings. And I found I could do it 4, 5, and I started sending the challenge out to some other trapezists. They were getting 6, 7. And yeah, I'm hoping to hopefully get it past 10 today.
Okay.
So we're going to see how it goes.
Okay, we'll be rooting for you. Explain what could go wrong with a challenge like this.
It's very high in the air. I'll really be doing most of my work up in the ceiling. So I'm about 9 meters in the air. Yeah, it can go wrong. So earlier this week, I was training and I slipped. Well, I missed my foot. I came all the way off onto the trapeze and then almost to the floor. I've got a little safety line that keeps me safe.
Oh, okay.
But it kicked in just before it did.
Okay, so let's hope that doesn't happen
No,
today.
that's not in the plan. That's not part of the record.
Well, I absolutely cannot wait to watch this. It's going to be so exciting. Good luck to you.
Thank you very much.
I wish you all the very best. Okay, so mae Eric yn ei le ac yn barod I fynd.
This is an official attempt for the most ankle drops to stand on a swinging trapeze in 1 minute. The minimum required to achieve this title is 10 repetitions.
Gyda phob swing, mae Eric yn colli ychydig bach o momentum sy'n gwneud y tric yn anoddach i'w berfformio, gyda phob eiliad sy'n mynd heibio.
Bydd pob cyhyr yn ei gorff yn llosgi wrth iddo roi fwy o ymdrech mewn I bob un tric.
A dyna ni, Eric wedi rhoi'r cyfan ohono hun ac wedi llwyddo I wneud 11 tric. Ond, ydy Joe yn hapus?
Well, Eric, you worked so hard to achieve this title and you have successfully set it at 11. Congratulations. You are officially amazing. Woo!
Llwyddiant I Eric a llwyddiant i'n rhaglen ni hefyd, gyda llwyth o recordiau yn y bag.
Ond mae dal un record I fynd. Nôl â ni i'r arf botaneg ac at griw dawns at ce gofal celf.
Y record nesaf sydd ar fi'n cychwyn yw y nifer fwyaf o droelliadau fel relay.
A mae gennyn nhw awr I wneud gymaint o droelliadau a sy'n bosib mewn awr. A dwi'n meddwl bod nhw'n barod. Pob lwc I nhw.
Go!
Mae hwn yn wych yn dyn ni. Mae pawb yn joio hynna'n gymaint yn dyn ni.
Mae'n gymaint o atmosffer fan, diolch.
Oes, ie. Mae hwn un o'r pethau gorau dyn ni wedi gwneud sy'n ni'n dweud ydyn ni.
Ydy, briliant.
A mae'r cerddoriaeth yn car ymlaen I fynd.
bod yr awr bron a dod i ben, mae lefel yr egni dal drwy'r to. Ac mae Joe hyd yn oed yn ymuno yn yr hwyl.
Ymdrech anhygol gan bawb, ond mwyn llwyddo, oedd angen i'r criw gwblhau 250 o droelliadau. Ydyn nhw wedi wneud digon.
I can tell you that the official count was 920.
Diolch mawr. Be mae hyn yn ei olygu ti?
Yn y bore, o'n i'n nervous iawn. O'n i'n gwybod mae pawb yn gallu twirlo a dawnsio, ond 900, waw.
Oedd o ddim yn agos?
Na.
Smasho fo.
Oedd hwnna, oedd e'n just amazing. I bob ma, i bod part o Guinness World Records, i dawnsio gyda'n gilydd. Mae'n ni'n prawd iawn o pawb yma heddiw. Diolch yn fawr.
Da iawn. Oeddech chi gyd yn anhygoel.
Gan i gael un twirl arall gen ti?
Gan fi?
Ie.
Okay.
A dyna ni am ffordd i orffen y rhaglen a hanner. Faint o recordiau dyn ni wedi torri gyd?
Llwyth o recordiau.
Ti'n iawn?
A llwyth o cacennau, llwyth o twyl, llwyth o daffodil, llwyth o hwyl, rhaglen arbennig unwaith to.
Tan y tro nesa, diolch yn wylio, sôn am gacen. O'n i gael cacen?
O, ie.
Ie. Hwyl fawr i chi.
Ta-ra!
Ta-ra!